If you want to enable users to add reviews to your website, you can achieve this by creating a form and adding it to your page. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to do so. First, head to your WordPress dashboard and go to Testimonials. Click on Views. Click on Add New. You will need to set the mode to form. Set the desired settings. Click on the Save Changes button. Copy the shortcode of your view. Go to Pages. Click on Add a new page. Give a title to your page. For our example, the title will be Form. Paste here the shortcode your view. Click on Publish. View your page. Now your users will be able to leave testimonials on your website.